Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a foundation review, and today's foundation is the Hourglass foundation, which is called the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. So this foundation comes in 32 shades. It claims for a medium coverage with a natural finish. It comes with a pump. You get 30 ml in this foundation, which is 1 fluid ounce, and it retails for $74 Canadian. This is what I have on my face today. If you want to see this foundation in action, just keep on watching, and I just want to let you know that I have normal to dry skin, and I will be testing this foundation for the full day. So I'll be wearing it today, and I will come at the end of the day and show you guys how it looks. So if you want to see this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the review. We're gonna start the application for this foundation. So I already primed my skin and I use my Dior. This is the Capture Total Care and Perfect. I really like it, so I did use it. So this foundation is in the shade 6.5. Full pump here. Don't mind the swatches. I was swatching a palette today. So this is the color and the consistency. It's not too runny. Just gonna do one side. So the color matches my tan perfectly actually. I really like the color. Okay, so this is the coverage. It is absolutely beautiful. I really love the finish of this foundation. It's not too dewy, it's not matte. It's a natural glowy finish, I think, in my opinion. I feel like it's a medium to full coverage. You can build it up to a full coverage. So this is the foundation side, and this is no foundation at all. And I'm still using that full pump, so a little goes a long way. This is the full face of this foundation. I'm really happy with the coverage, the finish, and the way it blends on my skin. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Looks good so far. It's not heavy or cakey. That's my main thing in a foundation. It hasn't oxidized on my skin yet, and I think it won't because I've had this foundation for about half an hour now. It's not like settling anywhere yet, which is amazing. And I feel like it's more like smoothing, so it looks really nice on my skin. So far so good. So 320 at the moment. I've had this for about half an hour, so we'll see you in a bit. Hello everyone, I am back. It's 10 p.m. and I'm ready to take this makeup off and go to bed. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how this foundation wore on my face. It looks amazing. I cannot say enough about this foundation, you guys. It looks so beautiful, very healthy looking foundation on the skin. It's not cakey or heavy. It did not settle anywhere on my face, not even, you know, fading. It didn't even break apart between my eyebrows, because this is the area that I move the most, and around my mouth area as well. But it looks so smooth, very natural looking foundation. It's not cakey whatsoever. I think this foundation will suit so many skin type, like, you know, oily combination, normal to dry. I have normal skin in the summertime, more dry in the winter. I have no flakiness or texture at the moment, so it looks so smooth, and I use the minimum amount of powder. I set my under eyes, you know, just a little bit on the T-zone, not so much though, with a sponge. Yeah, I have to say it's a great foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.